quads. Got thumbs up. Alrighty, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. All 4 pilots away, guys. This is it. No matter what, we are racing. Looks like the first 2 pilots in a battle. That is going to be Ethan FPV just ahead of Neon FPV. Both of them blade to blade right now. There's Ethan FPV actually making a few mistakes. That's going to allow Neon FPV out into the lead. Ethan FPV in chase. Neon FPV clean through our TBS Inception gate, but Ethan FPV charging hard, making the pass there, left to right. They go on to lap number 2. There's your leaders, 1 and 2, Ethan FPV and Neon FPV. Ethan FPV actually flying a little bit crazy. That's allowing Neon FPV to make a little bit of catch-up. There he is in his line of sight. They're both moving to the TBS Inception Tower. Both of them through clean. Wow, what a great race, guys. Left to right, on to the final lap of our race here today. There is Ethan FPV in the lead, Neon FPV in chase. Separated by just under a second right now as Neon FPV playing chase right now. There he is right there with Ethan FPV. Neon FPV going for the pass. Here they go up the TBS Inception Tower. Both of them are through. Who's going to have the faster line? Oh, no. Ethan FPV is going to take the win. Neon FPV, though, giving him a run for his money. I've never seen Neon FPV fly that fast and smooth my entire life. He went up against a veteran of drone racing and showed him that he's coming and he's got this. One pilot still finishing the race, but wow, that was blade to blade battling, Chris, the entire time.
I couldn't even talk. I was enthralled watching the video feed of the 2 pilots because they looked like the same exact video feed. That was amazing. That was some great racing, guys. So that concludes sports class. We're gonna get pro class ready. If it's late for you guys and you're saying, like, I want to watch the whole race, but I don't know if I can stay here because it's getting late at night, you can also go to our stream on YouTube, look up MultiGP. You can also go to LiveRC.com and watch along from home. So we know that it's late for many of you. We appreciate you who've stayed here and watched this race. It's been a very interesting drone race. Normally a bracket like this takes about an hour and a half, so you've been tuned in for almost an extra hour and a half of what it should have taken to run one of these. But we're going to run the pro class. It's going to be exciting. If you miss it, you can also go back.